Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout for Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 days of sketches, and I am on day 20. So let me show you the cute sketch that I'll be working with. This one is super fun. Okay, we have some kind of bordered something, a photo on a frame, embellishment cluster, title, journaling, and it's created by Stephanie Olson, and there is her handle. So I think I can eke out this layout with what I have and the reason I say that is I have only a tiny bit left of this kit. This was a Midsummer Dreams kit from July 2022. I've got one 12 by 12 in white, so that can be my background. Then I've got this piece here from 49 Market, Painted Foundations Patchwork. So super gorgeous. The back is a little bit more subdued. So if I wanted, I could use this for the background and create a frame. Guys, I didn't even pull the photo yet. Let me grab the photo. Okay, I'm gonna use this photo. That's how quickly we decide. Because I have a little bin of pictures. Let me show you my little tiny bin. I have a little bin of these pictures that I have pre-printed. So if something works, I'm using it. That's how we're doing it. Okay. So I have that. Now, I'm not light. Oh, Simply Adore You. So I've got that if I want it for a title. That was a la carte that month. These great little exclusive Aero acrylics. Those are fun. Light Chipboard Embellishments by P13. This was a la carte Lemonade, Ice Cold Freshly Squeezed. And then I've got all of these alphas, right, with hearts and things. Now, titles. I've used some, but not all. So that's super awesome. And in our sketch, there's a bit right here by the title that says journal, journal, journal. And that might be a good spot for me to put some of these little words if I have any left. Oh, I apparently have a tiny bit of the cardstock that came with the kit. And then I have a limited amount of the Simple Stories Bits and Pieces in Summer 11 because I knew I used some. And then right here is the sequins that went with this collection. And these were a la carte as well. Okay. Phew. So this one's tricky. Now, the thing that's tricky about it is I love both sides, but I think I used this. Did I use it? Oh gosh, what do I want to do? It's so pretty. This gives me lots of color, which I like, right? This is a little bit more subdued, so I think I'm going to go for it and use this. So my piece, I think I'll do like a 10 by 10, I think. So let me go ahead and start with 11. I'll cut at 11 and I'll cut an inch off of each side. I think that's our plan. 1, and then we'll do 11 over here. Turn it, turn it, turn it, and I'll end up with a 10 by 10. Probably gonna scuff it up because I like to. And I haven't scuffed on the last couple layouts. Oh my gosh, guys, I haven't used Flair on the last number of layouts either, and I had a mission to use Flair. Okay, I will have Flair on every one of the layouts for the rest of this series. I will. Or at least I'll super try. All right, so we had this big spot in the middle. Oh gosh, my trimmer almost fell off. All right, so that will be that. I can scuff that up. Great. I have to go ahead and trim out my photo. I'm trying not to sneeze. And it decided it was going to happen anyway. There you go. All right, so let's see. Let's go ahead and just give it a nice thick frame because I only have the one picture. And actually, when I'm looking at it, I will go ahead and frame it with some white cardstock so that I have a slightly different finish. When I kind of start running out of stuff in a kit, I got to zhuzh it up as much as I can. Okay, and I have a bunch of scrap cardstock right there from previous layouts. Okay, that will be pretty much in the middle. White frame. This isn't even big enough to mat it, guys. I've used so much of this. Let me see what's in here. Really cute pieces. Okay, I got to think a little bit. I'm going to scuff this up. I'm going to mat this piece right here just on, it's the same exact white cardstock. It's just a scrap of it. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I might have to go into my scraps from previous layouts to come up with something for that framed part, because I don't have a whole lot. Don't have a whole lot going on in this kit. Okay, I'm gonna see what I have and I will come back in a jiffy. So I've got a little traction. I've got my paper on my background. I wouldn't mind it being just a little bit more scuffy and messed up. I did scuff it up, but I want it a little bent because the white on white needs to show a little bit, you know? Let's just go ahead and distress that a little bit. This green piece of paper was a scrap from a previous layout I did, and I did go ahead and put a little bit of foam on the back. So we'll do that. I went to my color drawer, found a piece of pink twine that I thought we could work with. And this is that little bit that's going to become my picture frame. So it's going to be a rather dramatic full frame. So let's see if my adhesive will actually stick on here. It has the biggest adhesive struggle during this series. Now I need room for my title. So I think my title will be Happy Together. We can do that down here. And I'm going to have to leave enough room for my title, a couple of cute words on the title, all of that. And then, let's see, let's go ahead and go like this. Boop. So Happy Together title. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that down right now because it's a pretty clean area. If you follow the, come on glue, you can work. If you follow the sketch, just a couple wordy bits on the bottom. Great, we can do that. Hold on, I'm trying to get that little pin into my glue. The struggle is real, my friends. Okay, just go ahead and put this down. Now I feel like, voila, we've got the whole base of our layout is now done. So we've got that. Is it over a little bit? It looks over a little bit. And I was, guys, I don't care. I'm like, why am I overthinking it? It'll be great. So if we put these words here, let me stick it. Oh, will they both let me do? They will. I have a loop there and a loop there, so I can go up closer. Awesome. All right, that made me oddly happy. Okay, let me stick it down for a second. Then got this piece here, and I can go ahead and stick some globby glue here. Get my twine into it. We won't be able to see the end, so I'll act like I'm being fancy. It'll stop there. Let me get some sharper scissors. There we go. So when I find something to stick that up, I'll be able to have a nice little picture frame kind of a vibe like we saw. So I have to put that away. I have more twine on my desk I have to put away. All right, now, my friends, I have to create just cute little clusters here and a few words down here. Oh, and the sun just came out. So let me close the blinds. I'm gonna get a couple of words, like friends is great. Oh, some went away. Photographs. If it said photograph, it would be better, but whatever. And heart maybe? Ooh, I like the orange. Happy together, friends together. Oh, how about, here's together, heart. I'm trying to get colors that aren't on here. Friends, sweet. Okay, I think that's gonna work. I think those will work. Okay. So now I want to just spend a little bit of time finding some of these die cut bits to build up right here. So let me play with that a little bit. I'll be back. So at this point, I'm going to just start going for it and tack some of these pieces down. I don't know if I'll have more. I'm hoping because, you know, this has been in my stash since July. And I know a lot of people are like, only since July, that's not even blah, blah, blah. For me, it is. So, you know, we all do things how we do it. But I like to use my pretties. I do. And this kit was so in my color palette. Like, there are no words for how much it is like a me kind of a color palette. Give me some brights. Give me some happy colors. I love it. And I love also that we're using this really thick 49 and Market product, which, you know, a lot of times is more like what I call the pretty stuff with my Happy Bright Brights. I think it is fantastic. 49 and Market hit it out of the park with this one. So let's see. Maybe this one can go over here. Okay. So this is my deal. I'm just kind of adding, seeing what I can get. Ooh, that one's cute. And I'm going to pop these things on and we're going to see, I don't know. No, I think that's going to be left clean up there. So I'm, like I said, just going to pop these goodies on. We're going to do something kind of fun with it. We're going to kind of bulk it up and create a little bit of a scene right here. And it might be done just that quickly. I can, of course, put a few of the sequins on. I think that would be super fun. All right, this is a really big piece that I'm putting on here. It's like this little lemonade stand. I think it's hilarious. Just, you know how I have a big piece right here. I need to put a little bit of foam behind it right there. So I want it about equal. Let's go ahead and put it on just like I went ahead and put this piece on here. Guys, Blue is snoring like it's his job right now. Like, yeesh. All right, I like this little summer loving shirt or summer love in. I'm gonna put these icy pops right underneath here. Don't know why the scissors are involved, but they are. Ooh, this, I must have been getting ready to use that. Oh, I was using it over there. I'm like, why is it? Oh, that has to go up. So, phew, I'm talking in circles. So I'm going to keep building these up, seeing how much I can get on there, and I'll show you guys this finish in just a minute. I just have a few of these die cuts to pop on and a few sequins. Oh, there we go. Sorry, scissors. All right, that is what I'm going to keep playing with, keep doing. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, that is this layout done. So for that little tack piece, I used a geotag up top. Have a couple Scrap and Happy Studio Flair in the mix, some sequins in 3 places. So I think that was super fun. I'm so glad I was able to eke out one more layout with this cute kit. I mean, I can eke out like 5,000 more layouts with all of the supplies I have left from the kit, but from the paper, that's what I have for today. I'll have all the links down below. What else? What else? Oh, if you guys could like and subscribe, that would be super awesome for stuff that helps my channel. And is there anything else? No. Guys, I'm going to have still shots right there, and I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.